Okay, babe, what do we got?
We got a bit of drinking to do.
Okay, so classic white Shardy Sim mix, my favourite. Cheers, everyone. Hey everybody, welcome back to Two Up Travels. So you might think that we just travel around all the time and that's all we do in our lives, but unfortunately, no. We've got jobs and it is impacting seriously on our ability to travel. So we've been stuck at home for a while, but today Michael's taking us on an adventure to
Murgon.
Murgon!
Where is that?
Or Moffatdale. Anyway, I'll show you where it is. Alright, so this is where we're going. This is Murgon. Around here, a little place called Moffatdale, we've got a little Airbnb booked.
It's actually Moffatdale, not Moffatdale.
I didn't say Moffatdale. Moffatdale. Anyway, let's get going. What a classic. Beautiful. This little swimming hole is so cool. If you're ever out in Daybra, look at this. Do it. I think this would have to be my favourite little town. Maybe we should move here. So pretty. Go trout fishing. Huh? Okay. Might have got that on film. Oh, GoPro. Why?
Why do we have you?
Why?
Scare the shit out of him.
Find a hole.
Some work to do on our chance.
Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it.
Just at Kilcoy. Stopped at the bakery. Had something to eat since Michael has told me that probably no more food until we get there.
Alright, so we've decided on the healthy option for lunch.
What did you get? Oh, chicken and lettuce.
Chicken and lettuce. But we got one of the house specialties. It is, I don't even know what it is. Jimna or something. No, a Jonnut.
Jonnut.
Yeah,
Jam donut.
a jam donut.
There's a Yowie. There he is. The bird that was. That looks like a thing.
Stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave rolling city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a heat wave
That was a long 30 Ks. It gets longer when it's on the dirt, doesn't it? You feel every...
That goes fast, please.
No, that's right. Here we are, deep in Yowie country. Yes, please. Good. Let's go. Goodbye. Murgon. Cellar door. I might have to take a drinking again. It's so dry. Guys, so we are staying at the Redgate Country Cottages, Moffatdale in Queensland, near Murgon. These are really cool. So this used to be a full-on vineyard, cellar door, whole shebang, but it all went into disrepair, and the owners that have it now have turned it back into cattle property. But they're really, really cosy. Great air conditioning, hopefully a really nice bed, and $110 a night. I don't think I've ever actually had anything that cheap ever. You can see why you annoy people, Diego. You're annoying.
wave.